Hello all you Forex traders out there. What I'm going to do today is just a basic tutorial of the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is a Forex platform. Now if you enjoyed this video or if you're in the process of looking for a demo, if you could please click on the top right hand link. Other than that, why don't we get started? Basically, as soon as you download and install the MetaTrader platform, it's pretty much going to look like this, what we have here. The first thing to always do is, just because you install the program doesn't mean you actually have a demo account going. What you have to do is create a actual demo account, which is a pretty simple process. What you will simply do, first thing always, click on File, go to Open an Account. And here you can see you have to fill in some information. It doesn't have to be accurate, it's just a demo. Now, what is important, of course, is the leverage. What you see down here, you can pick 1 to 200, 1 to 100, 1 to 50. We'll keep it at 1 to 200. And of course, deposit here. You can see that the deposit here is there's a preset amount in here. There's 3,000, 5,000, 10,000. But you can always put in your own amount. You know, for instance, you can put $500, or you can put in let's say $800. But for demonstration purposes, let's just put in 50,000. Once you put this in, you have to click on the little square box here. Just check that. Click on next, next. There you go. And then you should see the demo account pop up here. As soon as I click finish, give it a few seconds. Okay, there we go. Now this is the one that we just created. Now as you can see in the navigator window, where under the accounts folder, you can see this demo account number we just created, which is the last three numbers 447, and if you look on the top right hand corner, it says 447. So we know that we're actually in this particular demo account. Now, the thing is with these demo accounts, typically what brokers will do is they'll have a 30-day expiration, and once your demo expires, you don't have to download their MetaTrader 4 platform again on the same computer. What you can simply do is just follow the same process we just did. Click on File, open an account, and just go through the same process again. And I just did another one, and then you'll see it pop up here in a second. There we go. And then of course you can always you can actually create as many accounts you want. You can keep going back into each demo account if you're using different strategies or different EAs or whatnot. So for instance, right now we're in the new one we just made, which is the last three numbers is 450. You can see up here 450. Well, let's go into the first account that we created, which is 447. I'm going to double click. And the great thing is all these MetaTrader 4 platforms, the username and password is always saved, so you don't have to write it down or remember any of it. We'll click on login, and then we'll log back into this account. You can see up here now it's 447. Okay, I'm going to have to make a part 2 of this. This is actually my fourth tutorial I'm making here, and they were all 15 to 20 minutes, and for some reason YouTube only allows like 10 minutes and under, so I'm going to have to make a part 2. So why don't we go ahead and proceed. First thing is first, we see the market watch window here. We see all the currency pairs. The first thing to do, if you want to see the other available pairs that your particular broker has, you can just simply right click anywhere in the market watch window and go down, and you can click on show all, and then now you see there's additional pairs all down here. You can see, well, look at this, we have spot silver, there's spot gold, some brokers even let you trade crude oil. You can see up here, you can see the Euro USD, for example. You can see that there's a 2-pip spread. I can tell that because you just look at the difference between the bid and the ask. The bid here is 0.4190 and the ask is 0.4190. 0.4192, which is a 2-pip spread. Another example, let's take a look at the USD yen. You can see it's a 3-pip spread here, which is basically the difference between the bid and the ask. Let me go ahead and expand one of these charts. You can just simply click on the maximize button, and then there you go. And then we'll put this on candlesticks. You can see right now it's on a bar chart. Here's candlesticks. Here's a line chart. We'll put it on candlesticks. We'll zoom in so we can actually see the candlesticks, and then we'll go to the last bar here. Okay, there we go. Now, the cool thing is here too is, you know, I had a problem with these toolbars up here showing up all over the place. What you can simply do, you can just drag the top of the left corner of each of them, and you can pretty much move it around yourself, just like that. And as you can see, right now why don't we go ahead and look at the a big chart of the Euro USD. To look at a chart, you can simply just highlight the pair, right-click, and click on Chart Window. Also, what you can do is simply drag and drop. I'll drag and drop the USD CAD, drag, drop it, there you go. And then, of course, you have the time frames. You have the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 day, 1 week, all the way to 1 month. And, of course, each bar, let me put this back on the candlesticks here. You know, I have it on daily charts, so you know that each bar is 1 day. Now, also, what I wanted to show you was the crosshairs here, which is right here. Actually, what you can do, rather than once it disappears, always going back up here and clicking that, you can just simply, if you have a scroll bar on your mouse, you can just click on that and that'll pop up. And if you don't have a scroll bar, or if you're using your laptop, you can just click on hold down the left click and the right click it simultaneously, and the crosshairs will pop up as well. Another feature that I like to add right away once these charts are up is you would want a separator bar. Typically, Forex brokers, what they do is 1 day is considered from 5 p.m. Eastern time all the way to 5 p.m. to the next day. So for it, and as you know, the market opens on Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern time. To put the separator bars on there, you would just right-click on the chart here, go down to Properties, and click on Common, and then you go down here to Show Separator. Click OK, and then here we go right here. As you can see, let me put on the 15-minute here. You can see this is 1 full day right here, all the way over here. Let's put on a 30-minute, 5 p.m. Eastern to 5 p.m. Eastern. Okay, it looks like I'm starting to run out of time here, so I don't want to go too far in because I'm not familiar with the editing and whatnot. But if you enjoyed the video so far and you're looking for a demo, please click on the link that's on the top right of your screen. And let me go ahead and make a new video. That'll be posted up shortly as well. Thank you.